Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we learn how to connect to Amazon's customer care service. So sometimes you buy a product, you want to return it, but you want to connect to the Amazon customer service agent to explain the problems that is there with the product and why you are returning it. But after the updation of this app, it has become little tricky to get connected to the customer services. Let's see how it is done. So first, open Amazon app, click on browse. Now scroll down, you will see account and help. Click on that. Now click on customer service. Now scroll down. Now click on devices, Kindle, e-reader, Fire TV, Echo. Click on this. Now click on Kindle e-reader. Scroll down. Click on something else. Now scroll down. Continue to customer service. So this is where you can start your chat with the customer care agent, and you can request a phone call with your desired language. I hope you like this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, colleagues and your family. If you have any kind of query, do comment down below, and thank you for watching.